There is a looming crisis in the telecommunication and wireless sector. Unless we take action, there will be a shortfall in skilled workers able to meet the needs of a fast-evolving industry.
We're already talking about 6G and 7G and even beyond coming our way. To meet this challenge, we need to upskill and reskill a new generation of research technical professionals that will be able to understand, validate, and co-create the new technologies that we'll be using in the future. That is where this lab and the MUSCAT platform come in.
We have established MUSCAT, which is a cross-institutional platform formed by industry, academic institutions, and suppliers.
The MUSCAT project will be a cloud-based hub which will allow research technical professionals from the network partners to access training, knowledge, secondments and other initiatives, all based on this cutting-edge telecommunications and wireless technology.
Through the MUSCAT platform, we will take technicians through a step-by-step journey on designing, validating, understanding how devices work and how they behave, and then be able to take these findings out to the industry and the wider world.
We live in a digital era where the physical world meets the digital. With MUSCAT, you get both hands-on training on high-tech devices used in industry and the remote access to test equipment.
At the National Spectrum Center, we are always in need of skilled workers and technicians. As a MUSCAT partner, we are offering our facilities to train the next generation of skilled technical workers.
The MUSCAT project is going to bring together research technical professionals and join them together in learning from each other and really developing a skilled network of technical professionals in a very exciting sector.
If you would like to find out more, please get in touch.